Hey. So, hello everyone. Um, in this video, we're going to continue on our API authentication and authorization using the identity framework. And to continue with our authentication, we're now able to log in our user. So we have provided a login endpoint here, and it's going to return the token, and we have this symmetry security key here. And today we're now going to configure our startup, so that we're now going to add authentication here. So the client logs when the client passes the token that it um, from the response of that login, it will then give that token every time the client made a request. So it will validate that if the client is authenticated or not. So to begin, we're going to add the add authentication. Is it here available? Yep, add authentication. And we're going to set up this one. So the default authentication scheme is JWT bearer defaults dot authentication scheme, and then the default challenge scheme is JWT um, bearer defaults authentication scheme. Yeah, hold on. Yeah. So I believe it's like that, and then we're going to add the configuration for the JWT bearer. Um, we're going to set up um, the configuration here. So required HTTP metadata is false, and saved token is true. So and then we're going to do the token validation parameters will be um, mm, mhm. So is it okay like this? Let's see. So the valid issuer sign issuer sign in key is equals to true. So issuer signing key is the one that we set up in our symmetry key here, and our key will be um, hold on. This we set up this one here. Our key is this one. So we'll just use this first. Actually, you can create an app setting here, so that we're going to take this from an app setting. But for now, let's just do this. I guess this is just a sample project, and if you want to, you can just copy this code and implement it on your own and do a proper architecture for this. But for now, we're just gonna do this one, the validate issuer is equals to false, and then the valid audience is equals to false, so that it will not give us a hard time setting this up. And we don't want to use we don't want to use the Blazor and a or we're not going to use Postman right now, so we're just going to use the Swagger UI. So in this example, we're going to add. How can we add security here? Yeah, we can do like configuration for add security definition. So the definition will be a bearer and open security scheme. Yeah, something like this. And this is going to be name is equals to authorization, then in parameter location, a parameter location header, and type is equals to security scheme type API key. Okay, then after that the operation filter will be we'll have to define this. We're going to name this Swagger security filter. Okay, so we'll have to create this. We're going to add a folder here. We'll be calling that helpers, and we're going to add this one here. I'm so hungry. Okay, let's do this quick. The security filter there. Are we going to add the I operation filter? Okay, and then implement the interface, and then um, we're then going to set up operation that security is equals to new list of open API security requirements. API security requirement, and then this is going to be a new one, new open API security requirement. So um, we're going to set one here. um, it's gonna be new open API scheme. The scheme, this one here, the scheme, then reference is equals to new open API reference, and then um, the scheme is equals to OAuth, name is equals to bearer, and then n is equals to parameterized location dot header. Okay, and the type here is security scheme, and ID is equals to bearer. Okay, nothing is wrong with this and my girl. What am I hiding from? String. And I never to the sky. And then I told my you life. Okay, and then we're going to import that one using this one here. So the configuration there is set up. We're going to add the authentication here and the configure. So we're going to say app that use authentication. All right. So I think that's it. We're going to. Oh yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so routing authentication. I believe that's it. Okay, let's try this. Mhm. Use course. Uh-huh. Okay, I believe it's started, but it's not showing. So, localhost 6001 Swagger. Okay, so there it goes. So if we log in, jbx at io.com, jbx123, and it will give us a token. Okay, this is the token. We're then going to use that in our authorization bearer, and we will log in. Okay, so it displays here because we didn't put authorize here, an attribute, authorize attribute. So we're going to authorize this, authorize. So nobody can access this if they're not authenticated. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, I think it started again. So let's execute again. 401. So why is it 401? Do I need to um, lag out and add this token again? Bearer execute, so unauthorized. So I think we made a mistake here. What else do we need to do here? Okay, so we add authentication. Uh-huh. Can we put this maybe on here like that? Will it matter? No, I think it's okay. Um, or maybe we'll use it on here instead. Or maybe we have to um, authorization, authorization. Where is it? Add Swagger Gen. Add authorizations. Upper security definition. Filter. Uh-huh. And I know I'm yours. Uh-huh. And I know you're mine. Uh-huh. Leave you waiting just about the honey. Oh, oh, every time I did you more. I don't care what they say about us anyway. I don't care about that. Bang, bang, nigga, dan, 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 dan. Dun, 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 da-da-dum, da-da, ha-ha-ha-hmm-hmm. Leave you waiting just like Buddy Holly. Oh, oh, every time I hit you more. I don't care what they say about us anyway. I don't care about that. Damn, damn, da-da-dum, dum. I The thing that I just didn't put is the events here plus new JWT bird events and on authenticated on on token authenticated. Why is it that it didn't um, gave me on token validated? So async context, and then it returns nothing. Guess we'll just make use of that. Uh every time I hit. Oh yeah, because we didn't put this game auth to here and bearer. Yeah, I guess that's the missing piece. So let's do this again. We need to finish this quick because I'm hungry. Uh, we are now in, yeah, 16 minutes. Damn. Okay, let's log in again. Uh, Lag out. Um, Take a token. Or maybe log in again. I don't care about that. I don't care about that. Okay, and then execute. Still 401. I don't know why. Why? I don't know why. Only you waited just like Buddy Holly. Oh, every time I hit you more. I don't care what they say about us anyway. I don't care about them. I don't care about them. Okay, save token. So I think I found the issue. Hold on. Let me do this again. So I put it there and I put it there. I just swap these things. Lying on the door, I come undone. If you want to destroy my sweater, do do do, do do. So this will be unauthorized, okay? But if you're going to shuffle this and run this one, okay, wait for it to finish and then hit here, it will still be 401. So the thing that we need to do is we should use authentication first before using the authorization. So that is learning today for me also. So I didn't know that. So if you're going to run this and boom, so it's now authorized. So that is, kids. You just need to use authentication first before you use authorization. And that's it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and tell your everybody in your school or your friends to subscribe as well, like and comment. And that's it for this video. And take care. See you in the next video. Bye.